Good morning, students. Today we are going to do our another poem, that is Today and Tomorrow by J.E. Carpenter. J.E. Carpenter is an unknown writer who wrote this poem, and mostly he wrote his poem on time. And in this poem the poet explains about importance of present time. This poem is full of wisdom, and we know that time is like a sand in our hands. It always drifts away slowly from our hands, so we should not do any delay to do any work. And in Hindi literature, our famous poet Kabir Das has also given stress on time. He wrote a couplet on importance of time. काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में परले होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. Through this couplet he says that we should not delay to do any action in future. We don't know that what will happen after a minute or after an hour. So let us start a poem. Don't tell me of tomorrow, give me the man who will say that when good deeds is to be done, let's do the deed today. Here poet wants to say that don't tell me about the person who talks about tomorrow. He praises that person who works on today. He always liked that person who didn't postpone their work on tomorrow, and always be live in present. The meaning of that, when good deed is to be done, that means the poet wants that whatever wants work that has to be done, that should be on time. So let's do the deed today. So whatever you want to do it on time. So move to next couplet. We may all command the present if we act and never wait, but repentance is the phantom of past that comes too late. That in this stranger, poet wants to say that we have to command on present if we act when is the proper time. When proper time is there, we have to act at that time. Otherwise, wait will in the time will never wait for you. It will pass away, and when you will think about the past, that you in the past the work that you want to do, but now time has passed and you didn't do that, so you will be worried. But repentance is a phantom. Repentance is a sincere regret. So what is the type of regret? But repentance is a phantom. A sincere regret is there. The ghost of regret chase us of the past that come too late. See, I will give you an example. If we have to go to somewhere for staying, or we have to pack our bag, so sometimes we never some persons are there who never pack their bag on time. So when they are going to any room or any hotel room to stay there, they will see that some of their items they have forgot at their home. So at that time they feel that कि अगर मैंने टाइम पे बैग पैक किया होता तो मेरे पास सब चीज़ें होती था. So the action is not taken in the present. That's why they are regretting for the past. So what is the regret? But repentance is the phantom. Phantom means illusion. In our illusion we denote it as a ghost. Then the ghost of सिंस रिग्रेट दैट चेज अस, जो हमने काम नहीं किया है उसका. So next couplet. Don't tell me of tomorrow, that is much to do today, that can never be accomplished if we throw the hours away. Accomplished means complete. Don't tell me of tomorrow. In this stranger, the poet says that poet does not want to delay or postpone the work on tomorrow, the work that had never been completed. See, if we will not do our work in present, so that who knows that the work must be completed in the coming hours, so that can never be accomplished. Accomplished means complete. So we have so much work, and workload may be increased if we throw the hours away. If we pass the hours that we have to do the work, जिस टाइम हमें काम करना था हमने उसको टाइम पास कर दिया, सो वी गेट अवर वर्क लोडेड ड्यू टू दैट. ओके, so move to next stanza. Every moment has its duty, who the future can foretell. Means every moment we have some duty or responsibility to do. These duty can't be done in future, but they have to done in the present only. So what is the meaning of this? Who the future can foretell? No one can tell what will happen in the future. That's why you are postponing your work on tomorrow, the work that you can do in today. Then why put off till tomorrow? You don't know the future, what will happen in the future. So why you are putting your work on tomorrow, what today can do as well. क्योंकि जैसे तुम उस काम को अभी आज भी कर सकते हो, वाई यू आर पोस्टपोनिंग इट टू टुमारो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रीड दिस पोएम केयरफुली and underline these difficult words. Accomplish, repentance, phantom, movement. Okay, these 3-4 words that are difficult.